Hey, how's it going, everybody? Wayne here, and just wanted to do something a little fun on my camera today. Just got my new my Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II today, actually yesterday, but just opened it up, getting a chance to try it out today now. So Liam and I went on his first long bicycle ride. We took a little trip around town, took us about an hour. We did some stopping in the shade to give him a break and that kind of stuff, but here's a little quick video of what we did today. We just got back from Liam's very first ever long bike ride. We went around, we took about an hour bicycle trip, didn't we, Liam? Mm-hmm. Yeah. How do you think your very first bicycle trip went?
Good.
It went good? Did we have a lot of fun?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We stopped quite a bit, did some exploring. We stopped underneath the tree for some shade and to cool down, right? Yeah, as you can see, on Liam's little head there. It was a little hot, but not too bad. I think overall we had a pretty good time, right? Would you give it 2 thumbs up? Well, I can only give it 1 thumb. 1 thumbs down? Nah, you had fun, didn't you?
No, thumbs down.
Thumbs down. Boo to bike riding. I think